Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. This is Wednesday the 2nd of November 2022 and we're approaching midday here in Europe. Looking at crypto markets so far today, pretty much ticking into the red, and that's aside from Litecoin, I must say, which has unexpectedly spiked within the past hour or so. And when I say spiked, we've moved a good, well, we've gone from 56, 55, all the way up to the high there around 62.50. And I was just trying to look before I recorded this video what has caused this. I haven't been able to find an answer just yet, but as soon as I do, I'll be letting you know. We just started to see an ascending trend line track higher, and we're just starting to see a little bit of a breakout pattern emerging, but still, to get that much of a move without any other reaction in the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum, maybe if we'd seen a move in Bitcoin, then I'd say, okay, well, correlated markets, Litecoin and usually follows these two. But Bitcoin and Litecoin both ticking in the red. And just to add to Bitcoin, we've got another inside bar on the daily. We've got a doji bar printed yesterday as well. So some signs there that there's a potential contraction with a breakout pending, and with momentum looking to the downside after that rejection of one of our overhead levels around 21, just above the 21,000 mark. Watch out for a break of that inside bar low. Of course, we've got the Fed day today, so FOMC is later on in around about 8 hours time from now. 8 or 9 hours time from now, I should say, and we'll be hearing from Jerome Powell. Again, it's going to be the case of how hawkish are the Fed going to be? Are they going to be softer with language? You'll see high frequency trading systems jump on some of the key words in the statement and also in Jerome Powell's press conference. But basically, if there's any signs of any sort of dovish pivot, which I do not think is going to be the case, guys, so I'm still looking at downside maybe in these risk assets, Bitcoin, of course, cryptos being one. Expected to go 75 basis points. I think they will. That won't be a game changer, but it's more the rhetoric for next year and how they see things going. But again, I think they'll highlight they need to be monitoring data. They've got NFPs this week. Both the jobs openings came through pretty, not hot yesterday, but came through strong. So again, good data is bad for risk assets out of the US at the moment, and bad data positive for risk assets. We're in that thematic right now, and basically that's how we trade the Fed this evening. So that's Bitcoin. That's the inside bar that I noticed on Ethereum after that breakout. I've just seen a pause at 1700. Haven't been able to really make an attempt to get through there. Also an inside bar, as you can see, but not so much a doji. But you got a bit of a reversal pin bar going on there as well, with the body right down at the bottom with a spike higher. So again, favoring downside. We've taken out both those lows from the previous day and on Monday. So watch out if we continue to move lower from here. It could be a case of looking to retest that low from last week. Well, not the low from last week, but one of the lows, I think, from later on in the week at 1480 before making an overall move back down into this area and that region we were stuck in for a few weeks around 1350, 1280. That's a wrap from me for today. Ripple hasn't moved. XRP, that's going nowhere. Just holding at 0.4440 for now. Until next time, I wish you all the best with your crypto trading. Take care. Bye for now.